Let's face it, everything's moving faster these days. New tech, shifting customer demands, you name it. And with so many of us working remotely or in hybrid setups, staying connected can feel like a challenge. You've probably noticed things like no clear space for your team to come together and share ideas, feeling out of sync with what the rest of the team is working on, or struggling to keep everyone working toward the same goal. These roadblocks don't just slow things down, they make it tough to deliver real value quickly. That's why the first value of the Agile Manifesto for software development focuses so much on individuals and interactions. Dr. Alistair Coburn, co-creator of the manifesto, said, "The speed of a project is the speed at which ideas move between minds." And that's where this course comes in. We'll show you how to leverage the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite to create a virtual hub where your team can collaborate seamlessly, no matter where they are. Maintain a clear vision that keeps everyone on the same page, and establish team norms that make teamwork efficient and consistent so that you can deliver real value to your customers faster than ever before. Are you ready to bring these strategies to your Agile team? Let's get started creating your perfect team environment together.